I'm going to be showing you how to delete Royal Match data on your iPhone. So if you want to reset or delete your Royal Match progress on iPhone, this video is for you since Royal Match saves progress through Facebook, Apple ID, or Game Center. Here's how you can do it. So if you want a fresh start, the easiest option would be to just delete the app. What you need to do is tap and hold Royal Match like this, and you have options like add to home screen, share app, and at the end you have delete app. Just tap on delete, log out of your connected account. If it's linked with Facebook, just log out. Or Apple ID, you could do the same and just reinstall Royal Match from the App Store. So when it asks, don't reconnect to the old account. So this will start you from level 1. So if you just want to erase saved data, unfortunately Apple doesn't allow manually deleting app saved data unless you switch accounts. The only way is to remove the game. So there you go. That's how you delete Royal Match data on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.